In this video, we create exactly the same VOX-Style dot grade background in After Effects. Let's see how you can easily create it. First, click on the Create Composition icon. In the Composition settings, rename the composition to Main. Then select a preset, for example 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. You can also set resolution manually if needed. Finally, hit OK. By the way, if you want, you can access this project file for free on my Patreon. You'll find the link in the video description. In this step, we need to create a solid layer for the background. Right click on an empty area of the timeline. Go to New and select Solid. Rename it to BG, which is short for background. Then hit OK. Next, we will apply the gradient RAM effect to the solid layer, which you can find in the Effects and Preset panel. With the solid layer selected, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Set Start Color to something like dark blue. You can use my hex code 073355. Once you have selected the color, hit OK. Now for the end color, I think black is the best fit for this gradient background. So the basic coloring for our dot background is complete. Now click on the Start RAM icon and change the Start RAM position from the upper center to the top right corner to give it a more interesting look. Next, select the End RAM icon and move its position to the bottom left corner of the composition. That way, you get a gradient background that transitions from the black in the bottom left corner to the dark blue in the top right corner. You might notice some faint, blocky steps across the gradient. To keep this transition smooth and natural, we need to eliminate that color bending. To fix this, we need to apply the noise effect to the solid or background layer. Once applied, go back to Effect Controls panel and change the amount of noise from 0% to 2%. Then in the gradient RAM effect, adjust the RAM scatter value to 20. These new settings make the background a little smoother. However, due to screen recording and YouTube compression, you may not be able to see the difference clearly. So let's make it even smoother by changing the RAM scatter value to 50. Then amount of noise to 4%. In my case, the gradient background now looks perfectly smooth across the entire gradient. Finally, we can apply the gradient effect to the solid layer to give it that VOX-Style dot grade look. On the effects is applied and the solid layer is selected, go back to the Effect Controls panel. Change the grid color from white to black. Next, change the blending mode from none to normal. You can see the black grid lines appears in the background. In the next step, change the size options to width slider. Then change width value to 38 and the border value to 36. Instantly, you see dots appears in the background. If I zoom in on the composition, you can clearly see that the dots are not black. Let's fix this by clicking the Invert Grade. And here it is, our VOX-Style dot grade background is ready. Now let's move on to the next step and make it a little bit softer with some blur. As a final touch, let me show you how to soften the background so it doesn't distract so any overlay text or graphics. To add an adjustment layer, right click on the empty area of the timeline. Then go to New and select Adjustment Layer. Right click on it, select Rename and let's call this layer Blur. After that, we will apply the Fast Box Blur effect to this layer, which you can find in the Effects and Presets panel. Make sure the adjustment layer is selected, then go to Effect Controls panel and change blur radius value to 1. This adds a very subtle blur to the background, which looks well when creating smooth graphics over it. I hope you enjoyed this After Effects tutorial. Check out the video description to access the project file. See you in the next one.